Hello and welcome to another video on Python Essentials. This is Nikhil. So our question relates to the comparison operator. All right. Given A is equal to B is equal to 8.4. We might have discussed this in one of our sessions where we talk about a multiple assignment where two or more than two variables are all being given the same value. Following that, you might have different uses for A and B, but we don't need to specify A is equal to 8.4 and B separately, right? Both are being given the float value of 8.4. So our first part of our question says, or rather asks to give us the type of A and also the type of B, right? Both should be the same. Also, when we're talking about equating both to one value, we are basically asking A and B to point to the same memory location, and our hex ID as well is going to match, right? So our comparison operator now needs to determine if A and B are equal. We already know what the answer for that would be. Okay, a comparison operator is basically talking about having your Boolean output. Your output would be either true or false. Okay, so we print A followed by two equal to signs, which is asking the question, is A equal to B? So the result would be printing as a Boolean output. Alternately, we can ask in another way, if say A minus B is equal to 0, right? It's another way of asking if the values are equal. All right. So the last part of our question is changing the data type of A to integer and to find out if the two variables A and B are still equal, right? So we just equate A to int of A. This is the forced form of typecasting. We're changing it to an integer, right? So if we run this and print the value of A, following that, we're getting 8. We can now test whether A is still equal to B. Now we're getting 8.4 and 8 as two values, so the output will be false.